I get irritated by the advice that you hear a lot, which is like appointment sex. Like I mean, I just don't think you can like synchronize the watches. Okay, 6 o'clock, chop chop, let's go, hit the
romantic about that at all.
No, an obligation is not sexy. But I mean, as a therapist, do you give that advice to people?
I say that sometimes that works for people. That would never work for me. So I don't like to give advice anyway. I kind of pull out. No, but what I say is appointments are not sexy. Yeah. But if you give yourself the time to connect, maybe that means like we're going to take this hour. If sex happens, don't even tell your husband it's an option, because otherwise he's thinking this is an appointment for sex, right? You're a man, they're like appointment for sex.
Right.
But if you have an appointment for intimacy, where that means like we're gonna sit on the couch and we're gonna hold hands, or there might be some making out. Right. Exactly.
And then we go, right?
And then we go, yeah. So if I talk for how long? 10 minutes? Then we have 15 minutes?
Where's the sex fit into this?
Right, exactly. We all know how that work. But it gives you a chance, because women, the way women work is we have to connect before we have sex. And for men, sex is a way of connecting.
But as a parent, let's just brass tacks here. Your baby is 6 weeks old. You're supposed to be able to have sex. Don't you think it's sort of like trying to have sex next to a car where the car alarm could go off any minute? Like, that's not sexy or relaxing.
Some pregnancies, I know, like when that 6 weeks, I couldn't wait for that 6 weeks to be up. But it was like, that was maybe 2 out of 5. You know what I mean? But I do definitely know hospital stuff. I was enjoying my 6 weeks of him knowing that you can't come in this area.
You're not allowed.
That was great. But when that 6 weeks was up, I was like, oh, yay, you know, even if it was like, oh, we just want an evening of like planned, or I could get my mom to watch the baby for a few hours, not tell her that's what we're doing, but just like,
she
just want to watch a movie. Do you mind watching her while I watch a movie? And I'm like, she's got her, let's